Good day, guys. How are you doing today? Today we continue our lecture series from where we stopped on concerning our IT students. Please, I want you to see the technologies in the laboratory and get the license software for the Proteus part of this installation. I want to show you what we are going to be looking at this coming week, the installation of the software that is necessary to be installed, both the simulation software and the PCB card software. So now let's begin with some of the tools that we're going to be using. We're going to be using Proteus simulation software. Proteus, you can go to the Proteus simulation software website, but it's not free. It's with license. Proteus. Download. It's not free, but it's licensed. But you can see get the one you can use for demonstration. You set a link. The link will be sent to your email address. From there, you install it. But you'll be able to save some of the documents from your project just for trying to see how Proteus is being used. But for our students, because it's a proprietary software, so I cannot give attach it to the website. But I'm good. There are IT students to see the technologies in the laboratory. We install it for them. But the other ones, I'm going to include the links on the below documents to avoid any issue with company piracy. Now, let's start installing, downloading it. First of all, I will be showing us here is on Kicad, also on SimulIDE. SimulIDE also is an alternative to Proteus. You can use it for circuit simulation. This is the website. You can go to the website and click on downloads. Click on download there from the official versions. Then you click on the download here. So you download the button here. If you have an issue with downloading, I'm going to attach the document, the file also to this video, which you can download that as well. But you will only be able to carry out only simulations both on circuit development and on Arduino EIC up to 16 series and other AVR simulation development on this, and even logic and logic simulations. You're able to carry them out in this. Now let's launch. Let me launch my window. Let me launch my VM. I have the. Let me go into the. I've downloaded it here. So let me see my download files. So you just download. I can also extract it outside. So let me extract it outside. After that. So also the PCB, the card PCB is majorly used. PCB means printed circuit board. It's majorly used for designing PCBs, of what you're going to be looking at also in this course of your program. Then this one is installing, but let me jump. It's extracting. But before then, let's install Proteus and let's see some kind of things we want to carry out with it. So now, therefore, let's open Proteus. This is the file here. Our IT staff will provide you this software for the student in this. Okay? So therefore, now we begin these installations. Now you install these files. You click on next. It's extracting. All right, let me see. Okay, has it finished extracting? Okay, Proteus is installing now. Then it's still on. Okay, for the let me come back for the two of them to proceed. For the Kicad part of it, I just want to minimize our time, so we can just come back to. For the Kicad, for the Kicad aspect of the software, just come to the Kicad here. You click on download here. On download, for Mac user, you can click on this link here. You can click on this link. For the Windows user, click on this. For the Linux user, you see your distribution, whether you're using Fedora, you're using Ubuntu, like mine. I'm using Ubuntu. I'm using Fedora. Sorry. I'm using Fedora. You have to add the prepository, then you add just this command. Everything will be stable on your machine. Then for the Linux, for Fedora development user, you're using for Debian base. You can install this. For Arch Linux, you can go through it. For Linux Mint, for Fedora, you see it on you will see it also on top of it. You can see for Fedora user, for Lightning build, for you download the stable build. So you can see the stable build here. For the stable build, you can download and install. Once you downloaded it, you'll be able to launch it here by searching on Kicad. Kicad, you're able to see it this way. This is the schematic, the PCB. As you open the Kicad here, you can see our working environment. So I'm going to be discussing this. Just to show you here is a component where you can load all your symbols and components. You can drag any of the components and search for any of the components. You're looking for a resistor. You can see there you are looking for your PIC. There's a 16 F8. You can see all those F8. You can see them here. Anything you're looking for, you're going to see all these things and drag them. But then you drag them, say add the component, and you drag it here. And you can even zoom in. You can zoom. You can zoom in, and so that you're able to see it very well. And make it a gridable. So you can see you can drag into other components. You drag them, so you can see ground there as well. Because I'm still on the stay on, so you can select this one back. You can see ground. You can also select the ground aspect of it. Then we're going to be using, by the time we get there, we're going to explain it better. Now let's come into the other part of it. Okay, our Proteus is true. Now let's finish this. That's what you can do on Kicad. We're going to continue from there. When we get there, we'll be explaining what we're going to do there. For PCB design, you can also do a little bit of LT simulation. So now let's finish this. Our Proteus is installed. Now it's a licensed one, so we don't need to have any of key. So then we launch it now. Now we have our Proteus here. We have some sections here, the schematic, what I want to do. It's got to compose both simulation and PCB design. So you may decide to use this fully for everything you want to do, or you jump to Kicad in case you don't have the full license. You also have PCB layout, simulation, everything. And just click on new project in case you want to create a new project on this, and then it's save inside my document, and you can name the project and as be sample 1 or sample, and you click on next. Say you select your working environment area, and you try to work on A4, A3, just pick a default. So then you want to create a PCB layout from this table. By the time you want to do that, you'll be showing that. Also include any firmware anywhere. So we don't need firmware for now. So then now we're good to go. This is our working environment here. This is how we can load our component just the way the one for the click on this P, and you search for any of the components you are looking for. I search for the 16 F8. You can easily see them here as the same thing. Our resistor, our LED, we have an animated LED here. We have some lighting LED red. Can you see animated LED here? You can just bring it up here. You can just bring our power. You can see everything we need here. Let's for here now. You can also bring your other terminal for your input, your power. You can also select power. You can see for ground as well. You can also select them. So let's just make a simple circuit here and just draw something. Let's come out to our component here. Let's drag it here. You can zoom in a little bit. So let's drag it here. And other thing we are able to do, So I will click on terminal. Can you see? Then power. So, so here I'm watching because of time. Then you can attach resistor to your own, or this is your simulations. You can just run it here. So can you see it's showing, or our LED is showing it's a simulation circuit. Now let's come now in case you install your own Proteus and it's not working, you're unable to load component, it's showing you file not found. These are the things you need to do on the software. Just open your system C. If you're on window, go to your system C. when you install the file, locate where it's installed here. Also right click here, and also properties, the security sections. Then you will now have full control, give it what edit. So then select what add what full control, just allow full control for everything. So that will be done. And but that one doesn't make it to see able to see the component. Other things you need to do is that what you should make sure that you run the what you set the file as you run as an administrator. You have to come here. You have to come here and you right click, show more properties, more option. Then you select properties, for example. Then you come to compatibility, come to compatibility mode. Then you select run this program as administrator. If I disable it, I won't be able to launch I won't be able to see all the components that is showing, all the component. Now let me save this and let me close this. Let me reopen it back again. Once again, then let's just open this our sample one project, and see it's not used here. Then and you see no library found. Where do we see this error? Because of this same or that error, because of that mistake. You have to run it as what as administrator. Make sure that you run it as administrator. More options, select properties, and the what and compatibility. Come to compatibility mode on the just run as administrator and click on apply. Okay, then you should be able to load all those applications back. Now, therefore, I don't want to make this video to be long so much, but I just want to cover the SimulIDE as well. Well, I just want them to just check it for us back again. We'll be able to do that. And you see, we're able to load the component again back. Fine. That's for Proteus for now. Let's now come to SimulIDE. So, our SimulIDE, let me exit my simulation environment. Yeah. On SimulIDE, whether you are using Linux or Windows machine. So I have downloaded it as well here. I've downloaded it as well here for SimulIDE. You can see it here. This for Linux, this for Windows. But this for Mac OS. I'm going to attach both of them below, the below link below. So the below link for Windows, for Linux ID here. After you've extracted them, I think I downloaded it here. I want to show the one I just downloaded. Just download this SimulIDE. Okay, I have one there. You just come inside my home folder, see applications, just SimulIDE, you just open and then click and launch it this way. When you launch it this way, you'll be able to see this. You can also write some code here below here, be able to see any components, search for component here, just send it and you're looking for resistor. Just you'll be able to see any resistor you are looking for here. And then you also search for your LED, any component you are looking for here. LED, just the same what we do in the other area, in the other part. So let's just try and do that here now. So on the just grant, for example, you'll be able to do that. Power. Power, sorry, and battery, just a battery. And for example, you can also use power, yes, power there, but let's just zoom in a little bit so you can see very well. Zoom to fit. Let's zoom to fit so you're able to see that. I click on it and you click on what? Zoom to fit. Here we have it here. I'll just give our resistor. Then just you can just draw fast for time. Or you should place in the placement of the component. Then you can just draw this. Then we have this here. So, oh sorry, yeah, we have just rotate. You can just control R. Control R will rotate this. Control R will be, it's 5 volt already. So now we have rotated here. Then you click on it, drop it. Then you click on join the remaining. Join it. So I have a wrong design the circuit. So I should drop even this one to be ground here. Deleting the wires there, and then just put my for LED the best design to avoid this way. Put your resistor toward the ground side of the LED. You want to ground the resistor to the LED much current. Then now if you run this program now, you should run it here now. Okay, zoom to fit. And see now, if you now run it here now, you should be able to see. Can you see? You have a good resistor. You have a good light that is showing. You also can also double the color, whether you split off or not. Main, you can change the color to green, and you see anyone you want to do. You can also change the voltage. So we have a good design here now. So thank you very much for. I know the video is taking too long, and then for the rest of the something you want to do, I'm going to continue in the class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I'm gone.